Good morning, Yeladim. We're getting ready for a new week, a very busy week for us. This week, we're going to be celebrating Yom HaAtzmaut, Israel's Independence Day, or Israel's birthday. Now, we know Israel has been around for a very long time. We know that the Jewish people have been traveling to Israel in our Torah stories. We know that before that, Avraham, Yitzchak, and Yaakov were promised Israel and lived there. We know that there was a Beit HaMikdash, two of them that were standing in Israel so long ago. But what we are celebrating is now, after so many years of different countries leading and making rules and being in charge of the land of Israel, after 72 years, we are now celebrating that Israel and the Jewish people are in charge. They get to make the rules. They get to decide how our country is run. We are so lucky to celebrate Israel's 72 years. I wanted to show you today some pictures that I have, some on my computer and some that I have to show you. Here is a picture. You know how we sing? David, Melech Yisrael. We sing about Melech David, the King David. This is a picture called Migdal David, David's Tower. It is still standing in Yerushalayim today. Here is a picture. It's a kind of interesting picture if you look closely. It's called Masada, which is, you can see here people's shadows. People like to climb up on top of Masada. It's very hot there, and people like to climb there to see the sunrise. It's very tall. Last week I showed you a picture too, but I wanted to show you a close-up picture someone had taken of the Kotel wall with a dove sitting inside. Now we know Israel has lots of cities and lots of homes, lots of places, almost kind of like we have too. But here's a picture also of Israel, which is desert. Here's a picture in a city in the south of Israel called Eilat, where people like to go snorkeling and swimming. And here's a picture under the water. I have another picture I wanted to try and show you on my computer. Here is a picture here of the streets in Yerushalayim. Here is another picture of a city called Haifa, all the way up north. And here is a picture of a city, I don't know if it's really in the middle of Eretz Yisrael, but it is a city called Tel Aviv. People like to go to the beaches in Tel Aviv. And there's some different places in Israel that I wanted to share with you. Now, we spoke about Israel's colors. Blue and white, Kachol Velavan. Here is a flag that I have. I sent one to everyone in our class.